Hey guys, I'm going to show you a quick tutorial on something I just discovered for Windows 10 and Windows 10 only, I believe. And that is how to do a speech to text in game. So if you're talking in Discord, you got group members who are not in voice chat with you, and then you're going to have to explain it to them in voice and then explain to the other people in text. This is one quick way around that. Also, if you're really drunk and you can't spell for crap, this will come in real handy. Okay? So, all you gotta do is hit enter to open up your chat window in game. And then you hold down the Windows key and tap H. There we go. And then you just tap Windows key H to deactivate it once you're done. Otherwise, you're gonna have to tap it twice the next time you need to use it. Enter. Hey guys, what's up today? Funny. What's up today? Now, simply all you need for this is your Windows key to be active. Some of you might have gamer mode activated. You're gonna have to shut that off for this. You have to have a microphone, and you have to have a good, steady, firm. Hey kids, shut the hell up. Now, I'm going to activate my webcam here just to show the keyboard. So you're just holding down the Windows key and tapping H. H as in Hitler. Now, it'll only activate and work if you've got a body of text open. So if you see your cursor blinking there, and then you hold Windows key, tap H. And it works. Now, this is not just limited to Star Wars The Old Republic. It is also used in World of Warcraft, as well as a bunch of other games. Anyone down to do some battlegrounds today? Alright, and that's it. It's just simply that. Good luck, guys.